Welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I will show you that how can you make money with the help of Create Studio. But first thing is first, if you haven't bought Create Studio so far, then I provide this page link in the description where I'm offering a lot of custom bonuses if you use my affiliate link to buying Create Studio. You will also get discount. Now question is, how can you make money with the help of Create Studio? I think the easiest way for the beginner is offering service to the other business. So how can you find these service? Where can you find? There are a lot of websites where you can offer a freelancing service to other business or people. I think Fiverr is one of the most popular, and it is beginner friendly, because unlike Upwork, you haven't to pay any amount of money to offer a service. You know that, I mean, if you work on the Upwork. Okay. So what kind of service you offer? You know that Create Studio is used to create animation videos, but there are a lot of things that you can do with it. Okay, the first one is I will make a awesome YouTube subscribe animation. See, that person is charging minimum $5 for a video. Basically, he have created these animation. Now he probably save as a project. So anyone that if he I don't want to play this video. If anyone he reaches to him, he just replace that icon that you seen in the starting with their channel icon, and in the return he make money. It can go up to $20. Okay. In the Create Studio, if you go to the social tab, you have a pre-made social media icon. By the way, guys, this person is offering only YouTube like, share, subscribe animation, but people also need a Facebook animation. I mean, they want to provide a Facebook and other social media icon usernames. But in the Create Studio, you will get everything. You can offer in the starting. You can offer a lot of things at a very cheap price. But once you get some reviews, then you can increase your price. I try to go on the Fiverr, then I found that it's not something like you go to the Fiverr and you will start making money. You have to spend some time with it, but if you spend time, you will definitely start earning money with your favorite account. Okay, so if I go to YouTube in the Create Studio, these are the animations, and you can also customize these things as well according to your needs. So you can come up with the new idea. You can also get help of these type of things. The second thing that you can do, that second gig service that you can offer is the animation video. This is the main purpose of the Create Studio, but don't overexcite it. I mean, for example, this person, I don't know, is he or she, he have received around 1000 orders and currently 92 orders in the queue, and the minimum charge is $70, which can go up to $195. These person who are creating these animation videos, they are using, I mean, they are creating it from the scratch by character themselves, and then the animation, everything, and it take a lot of time. But there are a lot of people who don't need advanced things, they just need some basic thing at a low cost. You can offer your service to them, and in return you can make money. For example, I mean, in the basic that will cost you $70. You will create only 30 seconds video. There are a lot of people who are doing like 2D or 3D animation videos. Initially you have to charge low, and one more important thing that you have to do with your Fiverr profile. I mean, when I hire someone from the Fiverr, I always check their portfolio where they have created. I mean, if I want to hire for an animation video, of course I will view that video. I mean, what that person can do for my video, and then I also check reviews. Sometimes I read, if I really want to spend a lot of money, then sometimes I read that is it good or not. So in the starting, you have to get some fake reviews. I have also read it about, but then I told you that I get into another business. So, but you can definitely make some money with the Fiverr. So initially you have to get some fake reviews to build up your profile. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Give a thumbs up to this video, and leave your feedback or query in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.